Here I have OnePlus 6 and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Let's start with the first one. Let's swipe to left and here we have menu named Shelf. From here we have access to some applications like Calendar or Toolbox or recent contacts. We can also add some widgets like the clock and for example slide it to the top. Just like that. Okay, let me show you the second one. Let's slide up and here we have the application menu. Now we need to slide left and here we have hidden space. Let's add some application, for example Google Chrome and Google Drive. And now these two applications won't be visible in the application menu. Let's go back and let's go to the third one, which is the slider. Let's go to Settings and then Buttons and Gestures. Here we have an alert slider. We can customize like we want and now use the slider to the ring mode, vibrate mode and the silent mode. Maybe stay on the vibrate mode and let's go to the next feature, which is the notch hider. Let's slide up and go to Settings. Now we need to find the display and now the notch display. And we can simply hide the notch. Okay, let's go back. Let me show you the reading mode and the night mode. The night mode is basically the blue light filter. It works like that. We can maximize the effect. Okay, let's turn it on. And the reading mode is the blue filter plus it makes our screen blacked. Okay, let's go back. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like under the video.